Considerations when choosing fiber optic cable. Fiber optic is a type of cable that is made up of very thin strands of glass or plastic. These cables are used to transmit data much faster than traditional copper cables. Fiber optic cables can be used for both long-distance and short-distance transmission, making them ideal for a variety of applications. As a result, fiber optic is becoming the go-to for a variety of businesses. Specifically, those with a requirement for high transmission speeds. However, how do you know which fiber solution is suitable for your needs? In this video, we'll look at the main considerations when choosing a fiber optic cable. Multimode fiber. Multimode fiber is a type of optical fiber that is used to transmit data over shorter distances. It is made up of two or more layers of glass or plastic that allow multiple beams of light to travel through it at different angles. These beams are then received by a photodetector on the other end, which converts them into electrical signals. Multimode fiber is most commonly used in short-range applications, such as LANs and fiber channel. Single-mode fiber. Single-mode fiber is a type of optical fiber that is used to transmit data over long distances. It consists of a single layer of glass or plastic that allows only one beam of light to travel through it. This beam is then received by a photodetector on the other end, which converts it into an electrical signal. Single-mode fiber is most commonly used in long-range applications, such as telecommunications and cable television. Different types of fiber optic cable connectors. Distance and speed. Fiber is well known for its effectiveness over long distances. There is a significant speed difference between fiber optic and copper transmission speeds. Photons travel at the speed of light, while electrons traveling along copper wire move at a fraction of the speed of light, less than 1%. Although fiber optic cables cannot reach the speed of light, they are only 31% slower, which is relatively much faster than copper. In addition, fiber optic cables have a longer range than copper cables. Copper's maximum speed is restricted to 100 meters, whereas fiber is limited to 550 meters for 10 gigabits per second multimode cables, and up to 25 miles for single-mode cables. Durability and interference. Fiber optic cables are also much more durable than copper cables. They are not affected by electromagnetic interference, EMI, and are resistant to temperature extremes, moisture, and many chemicals. This makes them ideal for use in harsher environments. Copper cables are also prone to signal loss over longer distances, while fiber optic cables experience very little signal loss. Cost. The initial cost of running a fiber optic cable is generally higher than that of copper. However, the long-term costs are often lower, as they require less maintenance and replacements. Fiber cables also offer higher speeds and capacities, which can save businesses money in the long run. Maintenance. There are two ways to repair fiber optic cable. Splicing. This involves cutting the damaged section of cable and connecting the two ends together using a specialized machine. This is a highly skilled task and should only be carried out by trained professionals. 2. Connectors. Connectors can be used to join sections of fiber optic cable together. This is a less invasive way of repairing fiber optic cable, but it does rely on having the right kind of connector for the job. Again, this is a task that should be carried out by trained professionals.